Wag.
Smell it?
Wat is hy?
This one's lemony lime. Okay, let's try.
Lemony lime. Nee, maar hoe poe jy dan?
Just have a little bit. Let's see. How do you taste it? Taste it?
Nou.
Hey?
Nou, take a skip on. Daar's niks lemony lime van. Dis oh, is it lemony?
It's lime and lemonade flavored drink.
Oh, so they try to make it soft, so lemony, man.
Okay, but it's not very limey. It's not very lemony. It's neither. Okay, let's try a different one. Okay, let's try.
Sensation soda. No, what
okay, so now we're going to try a different one. We're going to go to the roses. Sensational soda. I don't know why.
This is not supposed to be drunken by itself.
Okay, right. What does that mean? Okay, sparkling soda.
I think it's additives.
Okay.
I think it's soda stream additives. Wat dink jy van dit? That is it.
It's literally, I think, water.
They call it.
It's